this small town, and people let me be just what I wanna be. Got nothing against the big town. Still hate seat enough to say, look who's in the big town. But my bed is in a small town. Oh, that's good enough for me. Well, I was born in a small town, and I can breathe in a small town. Gonna die in a small town. Oh, that's probably where they bury me.
like that too.
Let's go!
Touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to rhyme and too hype? It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know. somebody that knows somebody that knows something about it. And I want answers now. Who, what, where, why? See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. So who he gon' get and what he gon' do? Run up on me if you want to. Hot damn pressing his homies. He's done up in front of his mama. I'm up the floor with him, and I kick in the door and let the go get him. I got fools that'll go get him. That's for him and Pooh and them dudes that run with him.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. Let me know. I'm about to break this thing up. Let's go.
Gotta spit it for the murderer and the killer.
I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. Don't you call this a regular jam. I'm gonna rock this land. I'm gonna take this city bitty world by storm. And I'm just getting warm.
This remix, never scared, never scared. It's football time. Once again, it's on. So everybody out of your seats and start to get wrong. And tell them, we ain't never scared. 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 Let's go. Touchdown. It's on. It's an offensive struggle. From now on, my team is a legion that can't be stopped. We gon' go for the goal till we reach the top. This is just the first quarter. Can't you feel the crowd? It's football time. Can't you feel me now? How many times I'ma tell you my team's the best? We gon' win this game. No contest. Yes, football time. Once again, it's on. So everybody out of your seats and start to get wrong. And tell them, we ain't never scared. 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 Let's go. The anticipation, what's about to go down. You can feel the vibration from town to town. 22 players ready for taxing. All the people in the stands are ready for action. It's time to go head to head on the gridiron. Watch out! Cause the turf is flying. It's just the second quarter, 4 seconds to halftime. It's a Hail Mary pass. It's football time. It's football time. Once again, it's on. So everybody out of your seats and start to get wrong. And tell them, we ain't never scared. 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 Let's go. Now I'm into the game. It's hot, dirty to dirty. It's going back and forth. It's about to get ugly. Everybody doing the wave to get in for the team. It's the heart of the battle, the American dream. Now it's 20 yards to go. You can feel the tension. Concentrating on the game. No time for slipping. It's prime time. Sunday night. We made the field goal. Everybody get high. It's football time. Once again, it's on. So everybody out of your seats and start to get wrong. And tell them, we ain't never scared. 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 We ain't never This here's a jam for all the fellas. Party people! And my man Steve Rowland, we're kicking the flow. We're kicking the flow. And it goes a little something like this. Tag team, back again. Check it to wreck it, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoice. There's a party over here, a party over there. Wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These three words when you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is, Hitman. Whoop.